Good morning, everyone. My name is Pedro. I'm the CEO of Mhaya, and we also have here with us Kema, which is our CMO. We are very happy to be here and introduce the game. I just wanted to ask if you will be putting the presentation as we speak, or should we add the presentation?
Okay, you can share your screen.
Okay, I'll ask Kema to share our one-pager. So meanwhile, my name is Pedro, so I'm the CEO. I've been in video games since 2008. It's been a long journey, and I'm here to introduce Mhaya. So Mhaya is a play-to-earn, free-to-play Monopoly style game. We are here to make the new generations and gamefi version 2 with the idea of allowing any type of players to join the freedom and the ecosystems that blockchain and Web3 will allow them. So Mhaya is a app-based game, and that will be released in Android and us as well in iOS. And we want to make sure that any type of users can join the game by just doing a few clicks and not worrying about any type of wallet in the beginning. We wanted to make it free, easy and fair for everyone that plays the game. And it's besides being a board-like game, we also have a very cool and vibrant environment that will be a city building-like game, where you will earn Mhaya tokens and Mhaya tokens to upgrade your city, and as well by staking your NFT, you will be able to upgrade and get more benefits in the game. So Mhaya, by one-click button, you throw the dice and you go around the board by winning or losing tokens. We try always to make it fair. It allows the players to play PvP and PvE mode, and always by playing alone or with their friends. So as the core advantage, it's a free-to-play, it's a fun and easy game. We have created a dual mining for free and staking users that I will explain later. And we also are using chain-link technologies to randomize algorithm so users know it's always fair and will always be fair. We also have introduced token burning mechanisms by introducing a season, which lasts for 90 days, and then we will reduce the number of tokens that the users can get during that season. Besides that, we are using the next generation of AI for our NPCs, and the NFTs have a very prominent role in our game. So one of the most important topics that I have to discuss about Mhaya is 100% for free. Any type of users can join at any time and play 10 minutes of the game and enjoy the rewards. If you are a free user, you have about 10% of the mining pool that you can use. If you're a staking user, which would consider be a premium user, you have about 60% of the tokens. So it's easy. You can play anywhere when you're waiting for the bus, when you're taking a coffee. It takes 10 minutes to play. And if you want to continue to play, it's easy. Just invite more friends and you will be able to continue. So we have around 40 blocks in about 12 types of events, and you can play the game and upgrade your buildings, which these buildings will later on give you more benefits in the game. So you can see on the following screen a screenshot of our game. So Kema will show you the next screen where you have basically an overview of the map. The next one, yes, so this is, and we will take 5 minutes in the end just to quickly show you a very quick demo. So we have two tokens. We have divided in Mhaya, which is the soft currency, in-game currency, and Mhaya, which is the official token that will be listed and also exchangeable. And how does it work, this dual mining pool? So we have free play, which is for the free users that don't want to spend money, which will allow them to have 10% of the total rewards we have of total token supply. Is staking players reward pool, which is about 60% of the total reward pool. Mhaya is consumed in the game and through different ways, and one of them as well is building, upgrading buildings so you can get more rewards. So how does the reward system work? Every user will have a unique NFT, and this NFT will allow you to basically mine rewards from Mhaya. The higher the level of your NFT, which has 13 levels, the higher the rewards you can get. The only way you can get these higher level NFTs is by staking and playing the game, or by playing in certain contests that will be organized by the team that will allow you to get these NFTs. Or as well, we are now organizing as well NFT drops with partnerships. Regarding destruction of the token, every time any user removes its NFT from the game, we are making it very fair, and we basically send 1% and we destroy 1% of the supply. Once you unstake your NFT as well, you will reset all your abilities and progress in the game, and that is to again avoid big sell-offs and bots and many other things to try to keep selling anytime your tokens and your NFTs. So here is an example of the seasonal rewards divided on the two pools, and season has 90 days. And we did it like that, so bots and big whales cannot sell off big amounts of tokens. So regarding the financial plan and the distribution of our token, 60% is for the staking pool, as you can see here, 10% is a free play, and then the rest will be for dividers, IDO, ecosystem, and team, okay? So we are now doing a private round for $5 million for for 108 million Mhaya tokens, and we're very happy to to have your overview. So I will ask Kema to run us a little demo of the game, so you can see that our game is ready to be released in end of July for everyone to play, sorry. So here is basically the vibrant world of Mhaya. I'm sorry for the lag you might see. So it's very simple. You click go, and that's the only thing you need to do on the game. You have about 30 rounds each time, which takes about 10 minutes to play. And we made it that the events of the game, about 70% will be positive and 30% will be negative. What I mean about that, so you have different things that you'll go through the starting point, or you're going to get different rewards by going around the board, or some events and mini games, and the game will give you a higher tokens. In some other cases, if it's negative, you're going to be on prison or other negative events that you will lose a bit of a higher token. The idea is you continue to play, you will have the higher token, you will be able to build buildings that then you will be able to generate more higher tokens and then exchange for Mhaya, which is the official and exchangeable token. So here is just, I'm sorry if it's laggy again. We're trying our best, but with the internet, it's not so smooth, but the game will be very smooth when it's released. You also, in the future, we will also create a metaverse related to Mhaya, because you're going to have a city builder. You already have a city builder within the game, and will allow you, the users, to customize their home in the way they like it. We also introduce famous buildings from around the world that people will be able to gather by playing the game as well. So here is an example of us building one of the buildings. Each building has different abilities and functions. Here, is still a beta version, so not everything is ready, but you can have a sense of the game. So just to finalize, Mhaya is a free-to-play, play-to-earn game, is easy to enter, is fair, and it's for everyone. We use the Monopoly style board game because it is played and is remembered by anyone from any type of age, and it's easy, and also actually teaches you about how to make smart decisions in terms of your finance. So please be sure to follow us in our Twitter, and we are here to answer any of your questions. We have a lot of partnerships going on with top guilds from the Web3 space and centralized, decentralized applications. So we'll be very happy to hear from you and also partner with you. Thank you again for everyone.